B-I-G-Z, VIP we. Every day girl a pray me. I watch me like TV. Lifestyle flash.
You're important to me, you know.
So why are you talking to me?
Listen, for your information, to me, you are nobody.
Well, you have to be one jackass police to be talking to nobody. You know how long you stand up there talking to nobody?
Why? Me not deal with human business because me find myself already have $3,000 when me buy pussy the night. It's Saturday night. Me see the girl come buy chicken and rice and the Sunday me would have nearly dead for hungry. And I am on the money that. And me learn and take teachment. No pussy me now buy. Me rather go back face.
Fix your teeth are drop out. What's the name? Fix your teeth. Fix your teeth are drop out.
This is my sketch spot.
I'm a sketch spot.
I want
them teeth just come on. Never associated with gambling.
She have talk about picture man, you never see some belly big, you never know your belly big from day one before you come here to take picture.
Hey bitch, walk in the middle of that belly band.
I'm look like say you want picture man walk with waist trainer in a back to please. You know what I'm doing? When the makeup now put on, go down and move like you have makeup kit in our back. Yeah. I'm to the people fixing the makeup before they come take the picture man.
Glenn, I'ma ask you nicely. What's 9 times 5?
It's 44.
It ain't no 44, boy! What's 9 times 5? 9 times 5, Glenn. Glenn, what's 9 times 5? 9 times 5.
It's 44.
Say 44 again. 9 times 5, Glenn.
R.
The R. 9 times 5. Huh? 9 times 5, Glenn. What is it? I bet you if I was 21 Savage, you'll know what that is. You know all the lyrics to that. He say he got 8 M's in his bank account. You won't even know how many you got in yours because you can't even multiply. 9 times 5, Glenn. What is it?